All right, here we got a Navigator commercial 48 Exmark. I've had this for about 15 years. We're going to go ahead and replace the blades on it. Works good. I've had no issues out of it. It just blades get worn out. So to raise the deck will fold up. Right, you come over here. You got one pin. Pull it out. You have another pin on this side. Spin it out. I'm going to grab it right here at the front. Pick it up. That's it. Here's our blades. And it looks like I need to clean it. Alright, we're going to do the blade change on a Exmark Navigator 48-inch deck, so it has two blades. So we're going to go ahead and start with this one. Takes a 3/4 inch main bolt. Pop it off. Then it has two breakaway bolts. Both 7/16, so if you run up on a stump, that way these bolts will break and the blades or the hydraulic pump will keep spinning. That one. Blade is pretty rough. It's been on here for a year, so time to change it. Put this nut on first. So you notice that nut does not hold it. It's a two little bolts break away. This is a bagger unit. You notice my grass was a little wet, so it's plugged up there. All right, now we'll do the next side. Pull it large. Pull off our two. That blade, same, kind of worn out. As you notice, they color code blades. That way, get them on the right side. Right, here's a new blade. Put our 7/16 bolts on here. That's about it. Both blades are on. That's it. Pretty simple. Now I got to clean out the deck. And we should be good to go. This Navigator to pick the deck up is pretty simple. Have the hook here. Hook into the deck. Pull two little pins. Flips the deck up. So, okay. Thanks for watching that on the garage. Until next time. Now it looks like we have a trouble. This one's still sloppy, right? So the other one's tight, so I'm going to pull these bolts off. See what's going on with them. Yeah, we'll have to work on that one. What about this one down here? Yep, so this is in, if you can see that, see my threads are gone on both of them. These are long enough. They are. These are 10 mil. There we go. This one, make sure that's good. All right. Good and tight. And blade is solid. There we go. All right. That ought to do. All right. I got the new blades on the Navigator. Let's start cutting with this thing. All right. So now we're going to lower the deck back down. Real simple. Just come in here, you got your handle, put my leg up against it, push forward, push on the button, sit it back down in there, grab your handle, and then put your pins back in. See, it has a little hook there. So that side's engaged. Same with this one. So it won't go all the way in. Just grab the deck. And there it is. Deck's locked in. Thanks for watching that Auto Do Garage.